Yo, it's good. It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, today, kung akala nyo naka-move on na ako, man, hindi pa. Hindi pa ako nakaka-move on, man. Paulit-ulit kong pinanood, paulit-ulit kong pinakinggan. And now, we have another reaction about SB19 song Moonlight, man. We got so obsessed sa kantang to, lalo sa music video. But we have dance practice. So marami sa inyo nag-request mag-react tayo dito. Nandito na tayo, men. Nandito na tayo. Actually, hindi nyo kailangan mag-request. Bahala ko talaga, no? Kasi gusto kong panoorin to. At the same time, ang dami nag-request sa inyo. So, hindi ko siya pinanood agad. Of course, I want to show my very first reaction, no? Yung sa video na to, pag pinanood ko yung dance practice. But without no further ado, let's get it. Ganda nun na. Paano nila tinago yung mga tao? Nasa likod ng camera, right? Come on, man. The transition. Yung paano sila magpalit ng blocking, no? At the same time, the camera work is like giving us a God's work in here, no? Sa mga angulo, no? Pero come on, man. Hindi to normal movement ng mga like boy group, no? Na makikita mo dyan, no? This is fucking unfair, man. I feel like this is fucking unfair, no? Para sa ibang grupo. I mean, no shade. Sa ibang grupo, hindi ko pa naman sila napainggan or napapanood. So, totoo lang, no? So, last ko magsalita dito, pero hindi ko pa naman sila napapainggan o ibang grupo. Pero, it's so unfair, man. Unfair lang, no? Like, come on. Kita mo yung from dito, tatlo sila dito, trio sila, 'di ba? From Pablo in the middle, hanggang mag-merge yung buong group, like sobrang seamless, no? Sobrang smooth, no? Tapos yung blocking nila is parang parang pa-triangle, parang pa ganoon, 'di ba? Si Stella nasa harapan. Pero I mean, kita mo, tama pag-merge ng ano nila. You know. And feeling, that's my favorite feeling. Hey. Oh, the feeling, that's my favorite feeling. Come on, man. Hey. 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 Wow. Come on, man. Hindi na to music video, ah. Hindi na to music video. Dance practice na lang to. Pero ba't gano'n? Ang linis, man. Ang linis. What the hell? Like, look at this shit. Oh. Ew. Smooth. Doing what we do in the moonlight. Jeez. Come on, ang linis, man. Ang linis. Look at this shit, man. That's my favorite feeling. Hey, this is my favorite part, man. Hey, hey. Come on, man. Well, again, that's SB19 Moonlight, no dance practice, man. Shit. I don't know why, man. I'm fucking obsessed with this song right now. Sobrang LSS ako dito sa kantang to. And at the same time, yung dance step nito, sobrang na-enjoy. Hindi ko alam bakit, man. Hindi ko alam kung, I mean, how ironic, no? Nasasabihin ko to, pero I don't know if this is a recency bias. Again, recency, kung titingnan natin sa kanta nila, is Damn naman yung pinakabago. No? Pero para sa akin kasi, ito yung bago na napakinggan kong kanta nila. No? I don't know why, man. I actually enjoy this. Like the step in here. Kaysa sa Damn. Kailangan kong ipahinga yung sarili ko dito, man. Masyado ko ng... Sa ilang beses kong pinaulit-ulit tong kantang to, man, it's fucking criminal, man. hindi na healthy, no? Kailangan ko ipahinga, man. Kailangan ko ipahinga. But yeah, that's a reaction for today. Sana gusto nyo. Leave a like, subscribe. Kung gusto mo magkasabitan yung artist, singer, rapper, song, man. Comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome.